What is up, guys? It's me here. Today, we are back with another video. But before we start, if you haven't already, hit that like button so you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you have any questions or topics you want us to cover in the future, leave them down in the comment section below. Let's get straight into it. I believe everyone can agree that we live in a world where change is inevitable. We see it happening every day. And no matter what industry you operate in, the only constant is change itself. So this leaves us with two options: adapt or become obsolete. There's really no middle ground, and when it comes to your supply chain or logistics function within your business, these changes can be challenging to keep up with. But, as with anything in life, challenges present an opportunity for those who are willing to take calculated risks and step outside of their comfort zones. In today's video, we are going to go over 3 simple ways that you can enhance your logistics and cut costs at the same time. 1. Service optimization. Service optimization is all about improving the quality of service you provide while simultaneously reducing operational costs. It's really about making the most out of what you already have and ensuring that your resources are being utilized efficiently. This can include a wide range of things from inventory control, warehouse management, transportation planning, to order fulfillment. For example, let's say you own an online store. In this case, your service might be delivering the products your customers have purchased directly to their front door. Now, if you are not operating efficiently, this could look like having excess stock that's tying up your capital and incurring storage costs without generating any revenue. It could also mean having high transportation costs due to inefficient routes or poor stock location, which increases the picking time. These inefficiencies lead to increased costs that eat into your profit margins. But with service optimization, you can identify areas where you can improve efficiency and reduce costs without sacrificing the quality of your service. This can involve implementing things like just-in-time inventory systems to reduce storage costs, utilizing software to optimize your transportation routes and reduce fuel consumption, or even implementing technologies like automated guided vehicles or AGVs to help you pick and pack orders more quickly and accurately. So, for example, let's take a closer look at those transportation costs. If you're currently using an outdated route planning system or relying on manual methods to plan your delivery routes, you're likely spending way more on fuel than you need to. This can really have a major impact on your bottom line. According to a report by the American Transportation Research Institute, nearly 30% of the fuel used by heavy trucks is wasted due to inefficient routing and delivery practices. That's a huge number. So by optimizing your transportation routes, you can actually reduce the amount of fuel you consume and save money. On top of that, when you optimize your logistics operations, you free up your staff to focus on other areas of the business. And by leveraging technology like route planning software, for example, you can ensure that your deliveries are made as efficiently as possible. By consolidating your shipments, for example, you can reduce the number of trips your drivers make, which in turn reduces your fuel costs. Or by using real-time traffic data, you can avoid delays and optimize your routes. Now, it's important to note that service optimization isn't about cutting corners or sacrificing the quality of your service. Instead, it's about finding efficiencies and making improvements without compromising on what your customers expect. It's also not a one-time project. It's an ongoing process that requires constant attention and improvement, but the benefits are definitely worth it. By optimizing your logistics services, you can reduce costs, improve efficiency, and ultimately boost your profitability. 2. Operational efficiency. Just like service optimization, operational efficiency is all about doing more with less. It's about streamlining your processes and eliminating waste so you can get the most out of your resources. This could involve implementing lean manufacturing principles to reduce waste in your production process or adopting Six Sigma methodologies to improve quality and reduce defects. For example, let's say you own a manufacturing business. Your production process may involve several steps, each with its own set of resources and processes. By streamlining these processes and eliminating bottlenecks, you can reduce the amount of time it takes to produce a single item, which in turn reduces your labor costs and increases productivity. You could also implement things like preventive maintenance programs to reduce the cost of equipment downtime, or adopt a total productive maintenance approach to engage all employees in driving continuous improvement in your production processes. For example, let's take a closer look at how preventive maintenance can help you reduce costs. By scheduling regular maintenance for your equipment, you can identify potential issues before they become major problems. This can help you avoid costly repairs and extend the life of your equipment. According to a study conducted by the Society of Manufacturing Engineers, companies that implemented preventive maintenance programs experienced a reduction in equipment failures by up to 70%. That's a huge accomplishment, and on top of that, when you optimize your operations, you free up your staff to focus on higher-value tasks. By automating repetitive tasks, for example, you can allow your employees to focus on more strategic initiatives. And by implementing a culture of continuous improvement, you empower your staff to identify areas where processes can be streamlined and suggest solutions. It's important to note that operational efficiency isn't about cutting costs by reducing quality or sacrificing customer service. Instead, it's about streamlining your processes and eliminating waste so you can do more with what you have. It's also not a one-time project. It's an ongoing journey that requires constant attention and improvement, but the benefits are definitely worth it. By increasing operational efficiency, you can reduce costs, improve speed, and ultimately drive profitability. 3. Accessibility. Accessibility in logistics refers to the ability of your customers to access your products or services in a convenient and timely manner. This could involve having a strong distribution network that ensures your products are available when and where your customers need them, or providing multiple channels for your customers to place orders or get support. For example, let's say you own a retail business. In this case, accessibility means having your products available for purchase either in your physical stores or online. This also includes delivering those products to your stores in a timely manner so they're always in stock. Without a strong logistics network, your customers may not be able to find the products they're looking for when they want to buy them, which can lead to lost sales and decreased customer satisfaction. But with a focus on accessibility, you can ensure that your products are always available to your customers, which in turn leads to increased sales and improved customer loyalty. This could involve implementing things like robust inventory management systems to ensure that your stores always have the products your customers want, or establishing a reliable delivery network to transport your products from your warehouses to your stores. For example, let's take a closer look at how a robust inventory management system can help you improve accessibility. By tracking your inventory levels in real time, you can identify when a product is running low and automatically place an order for more stock. This ensures that your shelves are always full and your customers can find what they're looking for. According to a study conducted by the Aberdeen Group, companies that implemented robust inventory management systems saw a 34% increase in order fulfillment rates. That is a significant jump, and it shows that improving accessibility can have a major impact on your bottom line. On top of that, when you prioritize accessibility, you build stronger relationships with your customers. By providing multiple channels for your customers to interact with you, such as a user-friendly website or mobile app, you make it easier for them to find the products they want and complete their purchases. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty, which is essential for long-term success. It's important to note that accessibility isn't just about making your products available, it's also about making your services accessible. This means providing your customers with the support they need to complete their purchases or resolve any issues they may have. By offering things like easy-to-navigate websites, responsive customer support teams, and hassle-free returns, you can make the shopping experience more enjoyable for your customers and build stronger relationships. Alright guys, well, there you have it. Those are 3 ways that you can enhance your logistics and cut costs at the same time. Remember, in today's fast-paced world, it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve and embrace change. By focusing on service optimization, operational efficiency, and accessibility, you can streamline your logistics processes, reduce costs, and ultimately drive profitability. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next one.